first be able to do a regular transition. Open the door, close the door. Front to back, skate forward, open the door, close the door, and we're skating backwards. Open the door, close the door, and we're skating backwards. Yeah? So first get that, and now instead of opening the door just with your foot, open the door with your whole leg. It'll look like this. Open the door, close the door. So as you open the door, you swing your whole leg around. So here's the little open the door with your heel. Opening the door with just my heel. Okay, that's fine. But now you want to make it bigger. Open the door with your whole leg. Open the door with your whole leg. And make sure that front leg is straightened. My weight is completely on my back leg. Get comfortable gliding forward while lifting your front toes. Right foot forward, snap it back. Right heel forward and snap it back. My left front wheels come off the ground before my foot faces forward. They are already lifting from the ground as my leg is swinging around to the side. Lift the toes side and front. Toes gonna lift side, front.